Amit. I'm a CAT trainer at MBAC. We are a CAT training institute based at Shivpuri, Patna. We are discussing a time and work question here. It says that P and Q started a work together. So there are two workers P and Q. They started the work. R joined them after 10 days. 10 दिन के बाद R join करता है. And the work was completed at the end of 15th day. So 15 दिन के बाद काम खत्म हो जाता है. So P and Q worked for 15 days and R worked for और फॉर 5 days बिकॉज 10 days के बाद आर ज्वाइन करता है 15th डे में काम खत्म हो जाता है सो आर वर्क फॉर 5 days पी एंड क्यू वर्क फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग टिल द एंड सो दे वर्क फॉर 15 days. The question further says that if R did 25% of the work, R did 25% of the work in 5 days, in how many days A and B can do the work working on alternate days? Okay, so this is our question. So let us now solve it. See, the question says that P and Q, they worked for 10 days. They worked for 10 days. And then R joined, who worked for 5 days. So when R joined, P and Q were also present. So during last 5 days, P, Q and R, these three people worked. For the first 10 days, only P and Q worked. And at the end of 15th day, the work was done, right? So let us say P does P unit of work per day, Q does Q unit of work per day, and R does R unit of work per day. So P and Q have worked for 15 days, so the total work done by them will be 15 times P plus Q, and R has done work only for 5 days, so the total work done by R will be 5R, right? So this is my total work. This is total work. But the question also says that R has done 25% of the work. So this work is 25% and this work is 75%, right? 75%, right? So we can say that 15 times P plus Q is equal to 3 times 5R because 75% is 3 into 25. So 15 times P plus Q, this work is equal to this work into 3, 5R into 3. So this is what we have done here. So now you can simplify and say that P plus Q is equal to R, which means that the total work done by P and Q together is same as work done by R on a single day. So if R does R unit of work per day, P and Q will do P plus Q unit of work in a day, and that P plus Q is equal to R. This is what this expression means. P और Q मिलके जितना काम करते हैं उतना काम R अकेले करता है. Okay. Now we also know that R has done 25% of the work in how many days? 5 days. So you can say R alone will complete 100% of the work in 5 into 4, 20 days. Why? How it is coming? Because 25%, 1/4 of the work R does in 5 days. So the full work will be done by 5 in 5 into 4, 20 days. So R alone 20 days में काम खत्म कर लेगा. So P और Q का combined efficiency R के बराबर है. So P plus Q भी अगर साथ में काम करेंगे, if they work together, they will also take the same time. That is, they will take how many days? 20 days to complete because P plus Q का combined rate of doing work is same as rate of doing of work of R. So you can say अगर R 20 दिन में काम करता है तो P और Q भी मिलकर कितने दिन में कर लेंगे? 20 दिनों में काम को खत्म कर लेंगे. Right? Now, the question does not say that. The question says that A and B are not working together. They are working on alternate days. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर फर्स्ट डे P काम कर रहा है तो सेकेंड डे Q काम करेगा, थर्ड डे P काम करेगा, फोर्थ डे Q काम करेगा एंड सो ऑन. दे आर वर्किंग ऑन ऑल्टरनेट डेज. सो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 2 दिन में जो काम होगा, 2 दिन में जो काम होगा दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 1 day ऑफ वर्क ऑफ आर. वाई, बिकॉज एक दिन में P करता है P यूनिट, Q करता है Q यूनिट, यानी दोनों अगर ऑल्टरनेट डे काम करेंगे तो 2 दिन में कितना काम होगा, P प्लस Q. And I know that P plus Q is equal to R. We know that P plus Q is equal to R. So the amount of work done by P and Q when working on alternate days in 2 days will be same as 1 day of work of R. So R को अगर 20 दिन लगता है तो P और Q अगर alternate days काम करेंगे, so 20 into 2 40 days में लग जाएगा. So I know कि total कितने days लगेंगे, 40 days. A very commonsensical question, isn't it? There is no formula that is required here. Why 40 days? Because R is equal to P plus Q. Look at equation 1 here. R is equal to P plus Q. So the first day P does P unit, second day Q does Q unit. So in 2 days total work done is P plus Q, which is same as R as per equation 1. So R एक दिन में R यूनिट काम करता है, P और Q alternate days काम करेंगे तो 2 दिन में मिलके P plus Q यानी R के बराबर काम करेंगे. तो जो काम R एक दिन में करता है, P और Q अगर alternate days में काम करेंगे तो 2 दिन लेंगे. तो इसलिए अगर R को 20 डेज लगता है टोटल काम करने में तो P और Q को 40 डेज में पूरा काम खत्म कर पाएंगे. I hope you have understood the idea. If not, please write your query in the comment section so that I can reply back to you, and I'll try to clear your questions or doubt if you have any. If you have any other question related to CAT preparation, CAT syllabus, anything that comes to your mind, feel free to post your questions on the comment section in the comment section so that I can get back to you. I'll be more than happy to clear your doubts. Okay. Thank you guys. Best wishes for CAT preparation. Thank you.